Happy New Year. It's your girl and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited that you guys decided to take some time out with me today. Today is going to be a super exciting video. I know I say that all my videos are going to be super excited, but today it really is because I'm going to be sharing a few of my favorite Black owned beauty brands that take all my coins, honey. Stay tuned. But first, if you're new here, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and be sure to click that bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Alright, now let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so first I'm going to prep my skin by cleansing with Fenty Skin Remove It All Cleanser. Next, I'm going to tone with Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Tourist Serum, and this toner is God, okay? It works amazing with my skin and I just can't do my makeup routine without it. So next we have Fenty Skin's Hydro Visor Moisturizer SPF Sunscreen. Next, I'm going to be priming my skin with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. So I ran out of my full-size bottle, but I'm so glad I picked up on these travel-size bottles. They work amazing when you're traveling and they also fit perfectly inside your purse. Alright, next for my brows, I'm going to be using the Lip Bars Quick Draw 2-in-1 Brow Gel and Pencil, and I absolutely love this pencil. It glides on perfectly. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to define my eyebrows with the Lip Bars Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer in the shade Honey. What I like about this applicator is that it's very precise, so you can smash those brows. Alright, honey? Alright, so my eyebrows are done. Now let's get into the rest of this look. So I have combination skin and I get really oily in my T-zone, so I'm going to be using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Setting Powder in the shade White Sands. So next I'm going to be using the Lip Bars Fast Face Skin Serum Foundation with hyaluronic acid and iris moss extract, which is great for your skin. So I was today years old when I realized that I can actually open this foundation container and get the last drips of foundation. So that is good to know, alright? To highlight, I'm going to use the Lip Bars Quick Concealer Caffeine Concealer in the shade of Honey. Next, I'm going to contour with Fenty Beauty's Matchstick in the shade Truffle. Next, I'm going to use my Fast Face brush to blend that in. So now I'm going to set with Juvia's Place I Am Magic Setting Powder in the shade of Kalahari. Next, I'm going to be using the Lip Bars Fresh Glow Bronzer in the shade Booed Up. And now I'm going to chisel my nose with that same bronzer. So next I'm going to be using the Crayon Case's Big Box of 64 Shades eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be starting off with the shade Acadia. Next I'm going to be using a little bit of the Lip Bars Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer in the shade of Honey. Now I'm going to be going back to the Crayon Case's Big Box palette, and I'm going to be using some of the shade Livingston. So from the same palette, I'm going to be using a little bit of the shade Vernon. Alright, so from that very same palette, I'm going to be using the shade East Carol. So from that same palette, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Terrebonne and adding it to the corners of my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to be using the Lip Bars Straight Outta Patience Smudge Proof Eyeliner. So next, I'm going to be using the Warrior by Juvia's palette. So for my blush, I'm going to be using the Crayon Case's Blush Binder. Alright, so for my lip, I'm going to be starting off with the Lip Bars Quick Draw Brow Pencil. Topping it off with the Crayon Case's Matte Lipstick in the shade Crawfish. So next I'm going to pop on some lashes and top it off with the Lip Bars Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara. Alright you guys, that's it for this look using Black owned beauty brands that take all my coins, honey. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.